Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart your iPhone 17R. Okay, so the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. We have two methods how you can restart this device. I'm going to show you both of them. First method is a simple reboot using the power menu. To do it, we need to click volume up, volume down and then the power button to launch the power menu, just like that. In here we don't have the reboot function, so to do it manually we'll have to slide this bar into the right side to power off the device, and when it turns off then we need to hold the power button until we see the Apple logo. Then simply wait a few seconds and your device will be turned on and ready to use. Also, let me tell you why is it even worth to perform a reboot of your device. So basically during that process our phone rests, we can say in that way. All of the processes that were running in the background are being closed, the RAM gets freed up and it can help with the performance of our device. Or for example, if you have some issues with your apps, they don't want to launch or it takes really long to open them, reboot can help sometimes in that situations. And when it comes to the second method, it's called the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when the whole device is frozen, when it's unresponsive, and when we cannot do anything. That's the moment when we should try the forced restart. To do it, again, we need to use the same button combination, volume up, volume down, and the power button, but this time we need to hold the power button until we see the Apple logo. So let me show you: volume up, volume down, and keep holding power button. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient and keep holding power button. Alright, when the Apple logo appears, we can release our finger. Now we need to simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.